Okay, so you're going to be doing page 37. You can actually do it with the video, and I'll help you do it. So, let's go and look at page 37 together. So these are our memory words, our spelling words. The word wrong, right, warm, wash, water, woman, we're, were, where, want, would, wheel, and wheel. Wheel as in the contraction we will, and we have a contraction up here. We're is like we are, okay? This is were. All right, so let's answer these questions. Which word is a homonym for right? Homonym is a word that sounds the same, but is spelled differently, and it also has a different meaning. So let's see a word that sounds just like right. This kind of right, which means not left but right, but it's spelled differently. So the answer is this word, right. And this word means to when we write something, right? Hold on, draw. I'm going to do text better. It's easier. Okay, so let's type it here. Oh, why isn't it working? Okay. Let's go in here. Oh, it doesn't want to work on me. Wait. It doesn't want to do it. Let's see. Okay, maybe we'll just have to write. Let's see if it works with the writing. Alright, so write. It doesn't work. Unless I'm on the wrong side. Let me try this again. What if I go up to the text? Let's go to the text. Right, and then I'm going to click on the text over here to the left. There we go. That should work. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Okay. So a homonym for write is the word write. I write a letter. Okay? So that's one. That's the answer for that kind of write. So let's see if I can get out of here. All right. Let's go to the second part. What is the opposite of right? Of the number of the direction right? The opposite of right is left. Left. Right or left. So let's do the text box here. Let's write it here. The opposite of right then is left. Okay. Left. Okay. And it says, mark 2 ways the words you wrote are alike. They both begin with the WR. No. They both begin with the silent W. No. Oh, wait, that doesn't make sense. Because we don't have, which word is the opposite of right? So it can't be left. Sorry, guys, it can't be left. Let's see. The opposite of right, is wrong. That's what they mean. Miss Santana wasn't paying attention, so let's fix that. Let me take that off. How do I get rid of it now? Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Let's see. Won't let me do it. Okay, well, that's not the right word. It should say wrong. Because I forgot to look over here at the memory words. So this is the word that should go here. So cross off left. I'm going to cross it off here. Let's see. Oh, maybe I could erase it. Let's see if that'll work. Let's see. Yay, that worked. Okay, so let's do the right one. The opposite of right is wrong. So it's WRONG. Okay? So then we'll go down and we're going to say, what 2 ways that they're alike? One way is they both begin with WR. Right? So they both begin with WR. They both begin with a silent W. Yeah, that's true too, because that should be true. Because remember, we don't say we're right, we don't say we're wrong. The W is silent. They mean the same thing? No, they do not. So that's incorrect. And they end alike is incorrect as well, because they really do not. ITE and ONG are not the same. So those first two are correct. Write a sentence using wash, warm, and water. Well, I'll let you do that. You could say something like, when I take a bath, I use warm water to wash. That's a sentence, right? What is the opposite of man? We know that the opposite of man is woman, right? So let's type that in. It's woman. The opposite of man is a woman. Right? Okay. Okay, let's do these. Write 2 contractions. I'm trying to teach while I write, so maybe I'm sorry if I went off the screen. Write 2 contractions, and don't forget the apostrophe. We will becomes wheel. Remember, contractions, we get rid of a letter and we put an apostrophe. So what we're getting rid of is the WI. And instead of WI, we're going to put an apostrophe. Where is my apostrophe here? This might be it. Apostrophe LL. So we will becomes wheel, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. I gotta get out of there in a second. Okay, we are becomes we're. WE apostrophe RE. We're. Okay. What word looks like we're with no apostrophe? Now that's the word were. So let's do that one. Text. Oh, what happened? So that would be were. Were. What is a homonym? Again, a homonym, remember, is a word that sounds the same as another word, but is spelled differently and means something else. So there's wood, like the wood that you use to build a house. And there's wood, like in I would like to go to the store. Right? So it's this wood. Can you chop wood? And the answer is yes. Of course you can chop wood. That's the right kind of wood that you chop. WOOD was that kind of wood. So chop wood is yes. You can chop wood. Can you chop this kind of wood? No, that means I would like to go. So that would be no. So then it says, which of these is a memory word? Okay, what is not. Want is. Went is not, and when. So the memory word is want. So type the word or write the word want. Want. Want is what belongs there. Okay, good. Which memory word goes round and round? Let's see. We have the word wrong, right, warm, wash, water, woman, were, want, would, wheel. The wheels on the bus go round and round, right? Wheel is what goes round and round. So write the word wheel. WHEEL means the wheel that goes around and round. Which word is the hardest for you? Well, then that's something you're going to have to do on your own. Okay, so that's page 37. Let me erase it all. I'm actually going to try to do a screenshot so I can. No, you know what you do what you do is that if I'm going too fast, just pause the video, and then go back and you can finish that up. Okay, all right.